Welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to show cash on delivery payment method based on the cart amount. So for example, you need cash on delivery only between your 0 to 5,000 rupees. Above that, you don't need cash on delivery. It will be automatically hidden. So that will be showing in this video. So first that we'll install the next advanced cash on delivery app from Shopify App Store. You can install it from Shopify App Store, or I also attach the app link in the description of this video. And after installing the app, you can open the app, then you will see a section limit cash on delivery. So you can click on this configure button. Then you can enable the global rule. So first step is we select our cash on delivery payment method is this, right? And if you already have added cash on delivery fee using this app, you can hide that one also. I just added a fee, so we are enabling this and we are selecting that cash on delivery shipping one, right? And the next step is we go to the cart section, then you can see restrict based on cart subtotal. So we enable this feature and we give here the minimum and maximum amount. So I'm giving the minimum amount 0 and the maximum amount as 5,000. So cash on delivery available only for orders within these range 0 and 5,000. So that we said, and we save the changes, right? And we get back to our online store. And if I reload it and if I try to order something of $6.99 and trying to buy now, you can see cash on delivery is available. And if I fill an address, so I made it India, so I'm just filling an address of test, right? So you can see cash on delivery is there. We added a cash on delivery fee, so it will be showing here, right? So this is how you can do it. And I'm trying something above 5,000 rupees. So for example, I'm selecting this product, making it just 5 and buying now. So you can see cash on delivery is not available. If I fill an address also, you can see the cash on delivery payment method will not be there. So let me change to India, then I will fill an address. That will be perfect. So I'm just filling an address. So you can see only free shipping is there, no cash on delivery. So this is how you can make cash on delivery only available based on your cart amount. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.